Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 trigger is faulty, you may have noticed that it doesn't respond as it should, making vacuuming a frustrating experience. This issue often arises from wear and tear or a malfunctioning internal component. If left unattended, it could lead to more significant problems with your device, potentially leaving you with a vacuum that won't work at all. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a replacement trigger for your Dyson V10. Make sure to have these handy before you begin. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing around the trigger area. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once you have access to the internals, locate the trigger mechanism. It will be situated near the top of the handle. Gently pull it out, making sure to note how it is positioned so you can replace it correctly later. You may need to disconnect a small wire harness attached to the trigger. Use your pliers to grip the connector firmly and pull it straight out. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new trigger and connect it to the wire harness. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Once that's done, carefully slide the new trigger back into position, ensuring it aligns with the casing. Before sealing everything up, test the trigger to ensure it works correctly. If it feels smooth and responsive, you can proceed to close the casing. Align the two halves and press them together gently until they snap back into place. Finally, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure any screws you removed during the process. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the trigger area and avoid using excessive force when operating your Dyson V10. Simple maintenance can go a long way in prolonging the life of your vacuum. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.